Let's see how to reactivate your Google Ads account. As you can see here, my account has this message. Your account isn't active. Your ads aren't running because your account has been canceled. Okay. So I have this message here and also here on my YouTube channel when I'm trying to use it. I got the message, your Google Ads account isn't active. Your promotions aren't running because your Google Ads account has been canceled. And this is my YouTube channel linked to this Google Ads account. So to reactivate the account, you just need to come here to this main page, right? If you don't know how to come here, it's just a question of come to Google and look for Google AdWords. Okay, log in with your account and you come here. And then on this main page here, on the admin preferences, you're gonna see down here the option to reactivate my account. So you just need to click on it and here confirm. And there we go. You see now the account status now is active. So it's pretty easy. You just need to click confirm and you're good to go. And you're gonna see the message here yet. None of your ads are running. Your campaign and ad groups are paused or removed. Enable them to begin allowing your ads. Okay, so you can hide this information here. And now your account is back on track, it's working. And let me just refresh here my YouTube account to see if the message goes away. You see, it's no longer here. So now I can use my account again, even with the YouTube Studio, right? So basically that's the way you can fix your Google accounts not running or canceled. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give your a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.